In today's video, I will be doing an eye look that was requested by my sister-in-law. We're gonna go ahead and get started with it. We're going to go ahead and add some stickers for this look. Make them even. We are now going to add the base to our eye, so we're going to go ahead and apply this color from Makeup Revolution. We're going to start with this light base. Go in with the darker color and apply it in our eye socket. Add a little more so it can get a little darker. Blending is going to be very important on every eye look that you're trying to do. So remember to take your time and blend all them colors together so the eye look can become really nice. Remember that concentrating and focusing on what you really want is going to help you a lot in every eye look that you want to do. Have patience with your process of creating your eye look or an eye look that you really want. The same color we added up here, we're gonna add here. Remember, take your time. Now I'm gonna go ahead and go in with my Tarte and add a little bit of product and do a half cut crease where my eyeshadow ends kind of in there. So we're gonna go ahead and apply a little bit. So figure out where you want your cut crease to start. You got your half cut crease where you want it. You can go ahead and start removing some product. So we'll grab some tissue and remove the product. Grab it, clean it, and then go ahead and go back in there again. And then again, clean up the excess. And do the same thing until you have removed most of the product. When you're done, you can set it with a little bit of setting powder. And just leave it there and go ahead and do the other side of the eye. And we'll come back and work with it. Work with the other colors we're gonna add. Go ahead and do the same thing to this eye. Kind of see where the other cut crease is at. And go ahead and do again. Grab your brush, tissue, and remove that excess concealer you have. You see how I got some up here? don't worry about it. We're gonna go back in there and we're gonna clean it up. I think on this side we're gonna go ahead and go a little bit up where I got some product up there, because as you can see it's not even, so I'm gonna go ahead and do that. Or two. Same dark color we use to darken up the cut crease. Clean it up. Once we've done that, we go back in there with a darker color and add a little more, kind of fade it in there, fade it in with concealer. Going in with this metallic silver, we're gonna add somewhere in here. We're gonna add it with our pinky. Gonna move it everywhere. And now I'm gonna go in with the concealer little brush and add it in there. Pink color, kind of add it in there a little bit, and then go in with your concealer brush and apply it around where you did that cut crease. Kind of fade it in with the silver color. Did I mention that this is actually a lipstick, a metal lipstick. I'm gonna keep adding that silver foil more into up here on both sides. We're going to kind of blend both colors together. Back with this tiny brush, the M443, and use it to clean up again up here. I'm going back in with the same dark color, but we're going to use a padding brush, and apply at the outer corner of the eye. Kind of blend it in also. And go ahead and remove these stickers. I'm going to clean up the excess part with a Q-tip, the fallout. We are going in with a dark color and apply it under our bottom lashes. I'm going in with a little bit of setting powder and adding it down here where I put the little tiny sticker at. Kind of clean it up, make it and blend it in with the rest of the makeup. I have this hard candy highlighter, so I might be using that yellow one. Going to use a little bit of that highlighter, hard candy highlighter, and add it to our eyebrow bone. I'm gonna go in and grab a little bit of black with the Morphe 443 tiny little brush and apply a little tiny bit up here, because in that eye look looks like it has a little tiny bit of black. I'm going to add mascara and go ahead and apply some fake eyelashes. Other than cleaning them up, it makes them look longer and thicker. Fuller too. I'll add a little bit of mascara on my bottom. I'm gonna apply this mink brown from Wet n Wild. Have any requests, let me know. I will try to recreate, like as you guys can see right now. I tried my best on recreating a look that was requested from Mariana, my sister-in-law. So I believe she is my #1 fan. Mariana, for being my #1 fan, and thank you for requesting this look. Hopefully you like it.